Hello, my name is Samir Mugera, Assistant Professor of Agribusiness at the School of Agriculture and Resource Economics, the University of Western Australia. I am the author of a paper entitled Sustained Competitive Advantage in Agribusiness, Applying the Resource-Based Theory to Human Resources. This paper is published in the International Food and Agribusiness Management Review Journal. One of the key questions in strategy we always want to know is why do some farms differ in performance, and why is it that some farms will always outperform others? The resource-based view, or what we call the resource-based theory, has emerged to be a theory of choice in strategic management in trying to address this issue. The theory posits that if a farm will exploit and possess resources that are rare and are valuable, it can attain competitive advantage. However, if the farm can be able to protect those resources such that they cannot be easily imitated and they do not have a strategic substitute in the marketplace, then it can achieve what we call the sustained competitive advantage. As you can see, the key message of this theory is very easy to grasp and simple, and is well published in strategic management literature and also in strategic management textbook. However, this is not the same case in agribusiness. So in this paper, I try to ask some questions like, why is it that there's been little application of the theory in agribusiness? And what is the importance then of understanding the theory in agribusiness? And how can we be able to test the theory and to apply the theory in agribusiness? And finally, what is the implication for management practice, and what's the implication also for future research in agribusiness? So what I do in this paper is that I review what the theory tells us, and particularly focusing on some of the most recent advances and development in the theory. Then I go back to a paper, revisit a paper that I did in 2005, a case study published in the same journal looking at the dairy industry in Michigan, and I advanced that paper by trying to look at what is the fit between the human resource management practices of the dairy farmers and what the theory would tell us we need in order to achieve sustained competitive advantage. And building on that, I develop a conceptual framework that can help us to investigate or to test whether there is any fit between the human resource management practices in agribusiness and what we expect from the resource-based theory. And finally, because one of the key challenges is of applying the theory is how to operationalize the theory, I give some suggestions on how we can be able to operationalize the theory in agribusiness. And I do this by creating a link between some concepts in production economics and strategic management. So my hope is that we can be able to bring management practitioners and agribusiness researchers be able to investigate this important question in agribusiness. So check out for my paper. Thank you.